could make it. Hope you're hungry, because I've been to the markets and the best thing I found today was spinach. So I thought to myself, I've got some really beautiful Allenborough organic eggs, and they're beautiful. You should taste them, they're fantastic. I would make eggs Florentine. And with the eggs Florentine, it was funny because I've been making a Hollandaise sauce. I've just started melting my butter. I'm using they want you to use a double boiler, and I don't have one of those, but what I've got is I've got a stainless steel bowl, and I've got a little bit of water down the bottom that's just simmering and just melting my butter very nicely. So I'm going to put that together, and it was funny because I was left over with some egg whites, and with the egg whites I thought, what am I going to do? Because the yellows, the yolk is what I use for the Hollandaise, so for the egg whites I made a beautiful pavlova. So that looks fantastic. So they're the little things you can do with your eggs when you've got to make one thing with whites and another thing with yolks. So I hope you're hungry. Let's get started on making this beautiful eggs Florentine and get the Hollandaise sauce going first. So I'm just using my whisk to just get my butter gently moving around. It's not very hot in there, it's just simmering. It's just simmering in there, and I don't want the bowl to touch the water at all. So let's just keep it warm on the bottom. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of lemon. Now I've got 4 beautiful eggs. Look, I've separated them. They're going in. Them in. And then my cream. Now it's 1/3 of a cup of cream. And I'm just going to gently stir it in and just keep stirring. I'm just going to keep stirring it and mix it all in together. This is an easy way of doing it. This is only the second time I've ever made Hollandaise sauce. The first time was with oil, and it came up really nice. Came up really good, and I was happy with it. I'm always a bit nervous about trying new things, but you've got to give it a go, don't you? I'm going to keep stirring this until it thickens. Then I'm going to add my mustard powder and my salt. I've got this to a beautiful, thick, nice, thick. It has taken about 5 minutes, so I didn't video the whole, 5 minutes, but you can see it's come up really nice. Now I'm just going to add the salt and the mustard powder, and then I'm going to really give that a good going over to get that mixed into it. Once that's done, I'm going to put it in little jugs, and now I'm going to move on to doing the spinach. Well, that was the fun bit. I enjoyed doing the Hollandaise sauce, and it tastes fantastic, believe me. You've got to try that particular recipe. It is so simple and easy, and I enjoyed doing it. Now I'm going to get my spinach, and I'm going to cook my spinach. At the same time, I'm going to start doing my eggs and start poaching my eggs. And remember, when I do my eggs, personally, I like to bring my water to the boil, then I'll add my vinegar, and then I'll have my glass already. I've already broken one of my eggs. So let's get started with getting this spinach going. My water is boiling, getting ready for my eggs. Now I've been getting this frying pan really hot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some oil. Again, I use macadamia oil, because I love macadamias. I love the fact that they're Australian, and I'm just going to toss in that spinach. Okay, not for long. That's all I need. So I've got that all ready. I'm going to leave it in the pan, turn that off, put it in the pan, leave it there, and let it sit there until I'm ready to use it. Now my eggs. I'm going to get my eggs going. Just going to add in my vinegar. My vinegar's gone in, and I'm just going to stir it nice and slowly. Okay, put my first egg in. There you go, look at that. Now it should just all gather together. Now I'm going to do my second egg. As it's swirling around, add my second egg. This won't take long at all. I like them very soft. Look, you can leave them in for 2 minutes. You can leave them in for 3 minutes. They get a bit firmer. 4 minutes, you'll have a hard egg. But it's a poached egg we're doing today. My eggs are ready. My spinach is ready. I've put a bit of toast on and I've painted it with some beautiful butter. I've got everything ready. Let's dish it up. It's a very simple type of meal. I get my spinach and just layer that on nicely. There. Got a beautiful tomato this morning. Some great tomatoes, so I'm going to put that there just for a little look. You don't need a lot with this. My egg. Just sit that on there nicely. There it is. Beautiful, simple Hollandaise sauce over the top. Guys, if I can do this, anyone can do it. There you go. How beautiful and simple is that? Eggs Florentine. If you don't want salmon, if you don't want ham, spinach. It's beautiful. Enjoy it. Give the Hollandaise sauce a go. Give it a go. It's very simple. I look forward to seeing if you've tried it. Thank you very much for this week. I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day. Look after yourselves.